Is your daily creatine supplement silently causing unexpected side effects? While it's hailed as a fitness powerhouse, there's more to creatine than meets the eye. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth about the hidden side effects of this popular supplement that every fitness enthusiast needs to know. Welcome to our channel. Creatine is one of the most researched and widely used supplements in the fitness industry, known for its ability to enhance muscle strength and athletic performance. But while creatine is celebrated for its benefits, there's a side of this supplement that many users overlook: its potential side effects. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, understanding the full picture of creatine is crucial for your health. In this video, we'll explore the hidden side effects of creatine, separating fact from fiction, and ensuring you make informed decisions about your fitness routine. Don't miss this comprehensive breakdown that could change how you see creatine forever. 1. Digestive issues: a common complaint. Many creatine users report digestive discomfort, ranging from mild bloating to severe stomach cramps. These issues often occur when taking high doses of creatine, especially during the loading phase, when users consume 20 grams or more daily. This happens because creatine pulls water into your muscles, but the digestive system may struggle to absorb large amounts of creatine at once. As a result, the excess creatine can ferment in your gut, leading to gas, diarrhea, or an upset stomach. Have you ever felt like your gut was doing flips after taking creatine? You're not alone. Watch closely as we discuss ways to prevent these uncomfortable side effects without giving up on your fitness goals. 2. Dehydration and muscle cramps. Creatine works by drawing water into your muscle cells, making them appear fuller and aiding in energy production. However, this process can inadvertently cause dehydration if you're not drinking enough water. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, dizziness, and even fatigue during workouts. Practical tip: to counteract this, drink plenty of water throughout the day and monitor your hydration levels. Adding electrolytes to your routine can also help maintain balance, especially during intense exercise sessions. Think you're drinking enough water? The truth about hydration while on creatine might surprise you. Stay with us to learn why proper hydration is non-negotiable. 3. Weight gain: good or bad? One of the most noticeable effects of creatine is rapid weight gain. While this is often due to water retention in the muscles, some people misunderstand this as fat gain. For bodybuilders or athletes, this extra weight may be welcomed as it leads to increased muscle size. But for those focused on weight loss or maintaining a lean physique, this sudden increase on the scale can be disheartening. Ever wondered why the scale shoots up after starting creatine? We're about to dive deep into why this happens and how to manage it for your goals. 4. Kidney and liver concerns: myth or reality? One of the most debated topics around creatine is its impact on kidney and liver health. While studies have shown that creatine is safe for healthy individuals, there's some concern for those with pre-existing kidney or liver conditions. Creatine increases the levels of creatinine in the blood, which is a waste product filtered by the kidneys. For individuals with compromised kidney function, this could potentially lead to overwork or strain. However, in healthy individuals, current research suggests that moderate creatine use does not harm kidney or liver health. Could creatine be quietly affecting your kidneys or liver? Stick around as we reveal the truth backed by science. 5. Hair loss: the unexpected side effect. One of the most controversial side effects associated with creatine is hair loss. This claim stems from a 2009 study that found creatine might increase levels of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to hair follicle shrinkage and male pattern baldness. It's important to note that this side effect hasn't been extensively researched, and the evidence is limited. However, for those already predisposed to hair loss, creatine could potentially accelerate the process. Could your favorite supplement be thinning your hair? The science behind creatine and hair loss will leave you speechless. Don't miss it. 6. Sleep disturbances and overlooked effect. Many users report difficulty sleeping after starting creatine supplementation. This could be due to the extra energy creatine provides, especially if consumed later in the day. Sleep disturbances can lead to fatigue, reduced recovery, and even affect workout performance over time. To avoid this, consider taking creatine earlier in the day and monitoring how it impacts your energy levels. Struggling to fall asleep after a heavy workout? Your creatine schedule might be the culprit. Find out why timing is everything. 7. Long-term safety. What we don't know yet. While creatine has been proven safe for short-term and moderate use, its long-term effects remain less understood. Since creatine has only been widely used for a few decades, there's still limited data on how prolonged supplementation could affect the body over a lifetime. Researchers continue to study whether extended use impacts organs, metabolism, or overall health. Until we have definitive answers, it's best to use creatine responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Is long-term creatine use a ticking time bomb? Stay with us as we discuss the potential future of this supplement in your fitness journey. 8. Tips to minimize side effects. If you're committed to using creatine but want to avoid its side effects, here are a few tips. 1. Start with a lower dose, skip the loading phase, and stick to 3-5 grams daily. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 2-3 liters of water daily to prevent dehydration. 3. Monitor your body. Keep track of any unusual symptoms and adjust your intake accordingly. 4. Cycle your usage. Consider taking breaks from creatine to give your body time to adjust. Want to unlock the full benefits of creatine without the downsides? These simple tips could be the game changer you need. Creatine is undoubtedly a powerful supplement with numerous benefits for muscle growth, energy, and performance. However, like any supplement, it's not without its risks. By understanding the potential side effects and taking steps to minimize them, you can make the most of creatine while protecting your health. What's your experience with creatine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into health and fitness topics. See you soon. Thanks for watching.